Good morning everyone and welcome back to Cameland. Today I am super excited to share with you a new edition of Cam Tech Talk 3, the third edition of the Cam magazine for lead battery industry manager. This edition is focused on a concept important for the CAM mentality: experience driving the future. Because we are the second generation of CAM, and it's important for us to understand and to assimilate all the secrets of this job about lead oxide, equipment, ball mill, curing chamber, to understand how to manage the issues the producers have every day, to understand the new goal for the market to reduce energy consumption, gas emission, to reduce the TCO, the total cost of ownership, and many other things. What you will find inside the Cam Tech Talk 3. We start with my editorial, and I will talk about the experience driving the future. Then the second chapter is made by our Antonio Martelli, who explain and talk about revamping for all equipment of CAM, has ball mill, lead oxide equipment and curing chamber, and the importance for the lead battery manufacturers to revamp to compete again in this market. Then the interview made by Maria Pia to Antonio, our chief technician, because unfortunately next December Antonio will retire, and so we interview his history, about his history in CAM, more than 30 years. And at the end, the case history made by Matteo, and in this magazine he will talk about the red lead conveying and storage system installed the latest summer. Next week we will ship this magazine to around 100 managers for the lead battery industry. If you want to have this paper copy directed to your office, please send us your request just clicking the link below. And if you want to talk about with me, my team, about new projects, about to advance the system to produce lead oxide, to cure in the right way the plates, write me and you can talk about your points. That's it. I am Francesco Marfisi, live from CAM, the lead oxide specialist. Bye.
Are built to last a lifetime.